Number 1 says solve. 3 times 10 to the first is 3 with 1 0, so 30. 3 times 10 to the second is 3 with 2 zeros, so 300. 3 times 10 to the third is 3 with 3 zeros, so 3,000. 3 times 10 to the fourth is 3 with 4 zeros, so it would be 30,000. Then it wants you to write a number sentence that follows the rule above. So you could do 3 times 10 to the fifth, 3 times 10 to the sixth, 3 times 10 to the seventh. You just have to make sure whatever one you choose, that's the amount of zeros that you have. So since I chose 3 times 10 to the fifth, it would be 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So 300,000. Number 2 says solve. So it's 6,572 divided by 32. So we look at the 6. 32 can't go into 6, so we look at the 65. So we know if we do 32 times 2, it's 64. So if we go any higher, it would go over. So it goes in 2 times. Then we multiply. 2 times 32, 64. Subtract 1. Bring down the 7. 32 cannot go into 17, so we have to move to our next one, which is 2. So now we're looking how many times can 32 go into 172. So if I round 32 to 30, 30 times 5 would be 150. 30 times 6 would be 180, so that's too much. So about 5 times. Then we have to figure out what is 32 times 5. 160. We subtract. We get 12. We have nothing else to bring down, so it's 205, remainder 12. Number 3 says, what is the area of a garden plot that measures 6.5 by 4 feet? So if we look, there's 6.5 here, 6.5, 6.5, 6.5. So we can do 6.5 plus 6.5 plus 6.5 plus 6.5. So first we have 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is 24. And then we have 1/2, 1/2, which is 1. 1/2, 1/2, which is 1. So 24 plus 1 is 26. And since it's in feet, feet squared. Number 4 says Jamar bought 8 6-packs of juice boxes for his family. Then it says his grandmother bought 3 more 6-packs. Write an expression that models how many juice boxes they brought. So Jamar bought 8 6-packs, and his grandma bought 3 6-packs. And if you add them together, you would get how many they bought total. Number 5 says Ari made a sketch to solve problem 2. Use Ari's sketch to explain how you think he solved the problem. So if you look here, he used an area model. He used the partial quotients 100, 100, and 5, and then there was a remainder of 12. So the area model is very, very, very similar to the partial quotients. It goes in 100 times, which is 32,000, or 3,200. Another 100 times is 3,200. So right here we have 6,400. Then he goes in 5 more times, which is 160. So that would be 65, 60, and then 12 left over. So you just need to kind of explain how the area model relates to the partial quotients method.